This is the telephone training for the NEC DTK 24D telephone on the NEC SV9100e server, presented by Preferred Data Voice Networks. The NEC DTK 24D digital desktop phone has an adjustable backlit display, 24 programmable keys, a backlit keypad, and a hands-free full duplex speakerphone. The back brace of the phone is adjustable to 3 height settings. There is a console available for main answering positions. Soft keys under the display will adapt to the changing state of the phone. To use them, simply press the button underneath the feature you wish to activate. When your phone is idle, you will see date, time, and your extension number on the display. When you have a call come in, you will see the incoming caller ID of the caller. If you see an icon of a handset and an arrow on the top left of the display, that indicates a missed call to your extension. When your phone is idle, you will see soft key options for list, directory, vMessage for voicemail. And if you press the soft key under the arrow button, your phone will light and you will see options for intercom, programming, and navigation. Press the arrow key again to return to the first view. To select any of these options, press that soft key. To exit, pick up, and hang up the handset. The list option lets you see either redial to redial a recently called number from your extension, or CID to see the last 50 incoming calls to your extension. Any missed calls are indicated with an asterisk. Use the soft keys to scroll these lists. And then once you have scrolled to the desired number, lift the handset or press the speaker to place the call. The directory option will show ABB, which is programmed system speed dials, EXT for internal extensions, or STA for programmed station speed dials. Use the arrow keys to scroll to the desired number and then lift the handset or press the speaker to place a call. You can also pick up and hang up the handset to exit. Initially, you will need to set up your voicemail. This requires you to record your name, record a greeting, and change your password. To do all 3 of those, we're going to use the vMessage soft key. To record your name, press vMessage, then press More, RC name for record name, and then REC. Say your first and last name into the handset and press Done. To record your greeting, press the vMessage soft key, press Greet for greetings, and then you can select greeting 1, 2, or 3. Typically, greeting 1 is your everyday recording. Press REC to record and then Done when recording. Done recording. You can also select another greeting for out of office or unusual type situations such as vacation. A sample everyday greeting is, "Hi, this is Melissa Acevedo. I am unable to take your call at this time. For immediate assistance, press 0. Otherwise, leave a message and I will return your call as soon as possible." You can give opt-out options to your callers, including 0, which will ring to the operator as programmed on the system, or any other extension on the system. You can also give other pertinent information, such as your email. To change your password, press vMessage again, press More, Setup, and then Code. Enter your new 4-digit security code. At this point, you can choose whether you want to require the security code when in the office using your desk phone, or only when you are away from the office, which would be no required. When you have new voicemail messages, the notification light on the top of your display will blink in red, and your screen will tell you how many new messages you have. To hear the messages, press vMessage. You can use the soft keys to navigate the menus, or you can press 5 to listen to your messages. The system also has a voicemail to email feature. If this is enabled, you will receive voicemail messages to your email as a WAV file. The NEC DTK 24D phone has 24 flexible buttons that are programmed for intercom, call appearance keys labeled CAP, page options, park options, and feature keys such as do not disturb and pick up. The fixed feature keys are recall, feature, answer, mic, menu, navigation keys, and then hold, transfer, and speaker. Recall provides dial tone when connected to an outside line. Feature is used for programming of certain features on the phone. The mic key. When the mic key is off, the caller can hear you. When the light is red, you are muted to the other party. Menu provides access to settings such as ringer volume, off-hook calling, off-hook ringing, and backlight options. Use the navigation keys when your phone is idle to adjust your screen brightness, speaker volume when on speaker, and handset volume when on handset. The phone will save the last setting that you left it at. To adjust the ringing volume on your phone, press speaker, then dial 729 and use the navigation keys to adjust the ring volume. Press speaker again to save. To change ringtones on on your phone, press speaker and dial 720. Press 1 for internal calls or intercom calls and 2 for external calls. Then you can select 1 for tones or 2 for melodies. Select the number of the tone 1 through 3 or the number of the melody 1 through 5 to listen and save. Repeat if you want to change that ringtone. To call another extension on the system, press the person's button to call or dial an internal extension number. If you are receiving an internal extension call, the display will blink in green and your intercom button will light and you will see on your display who is calling you. To make an outbound call, simply dial 9 and the number. Either 9 and 7 digits for a local number or 9 plus 10 digits for a long distance number. You will see one of the call appearance keys light in green on your phone, indicating a call in progress. You can stay on speaker or lift the handset. If you're on handset and want to go back to speaker, press the speaker button and place the handset back in the cradle. Remember, if you press the mic button, you will be muted to your callers when the mic button is red. This applies to both speakerphones and speakerphone calls and handset calls. To answer an incoming call, lift the handset or press the answer button. If you are already on a call, answer will place the first call on hold automatically. When you are on a call, the soft key options change to conference, repeat, save, and transfer. To place a call on hold, press the hold button. When your call is on hold, your line appearance button or call appearance button will blink in green. To return to the call, press the blinking green button. If you would like to transfer a call to another extension, press transfer, dial the extension number. You can either wait for them to answer to announce the call or press transfer to send the call. If a call is transferred to your phone, the top of your display will blink in red, and across the screen, you will see the incoming caller ID, the call that it is being transferred, and from whom it is being transferred. And again, you can press answer or pick up the handset to answer a transferred call. If you want to transfer a call to someone's voicemail, press transfer and then press the V message button on your soft keys, then dial that person's extension number. The caller will be sent directly to their voicemail and will not ring the phone at all. To make a three-way call, first get your first party on the phone. press the conference button, dial 9 and your second number, and then press conference again to bring all three parties together. If you hang up at this point, you will drop off of the call and the two outside parties will stay on the call. Paging. To page all phones on the system using the All Call Page button, you press the All Call Page button, wait for the tone, pick up the handset, make your one-way page, and then use the hook switch to disconnect. If you want to page an external page zone for paging speakers on your system, press an external page button, wait for the tone, pick up the handset and make your announcement, and then use the hook switch to hang up. Both of these options are a one-way page. Call Park. Call Park is an enhanced hold feature, enabling you to place a call in a park orbit to be retrieved from any phone on the system. As a reminder, if you place a call on hold, it can only be retrieved from your phone and no other phones will see it. So if you have a call for someone and you don't want to send it to their voicemail to their extension because it will go to their voicemail, you might want to park it for them. To park a call for someone in the office to a general park orbit, 1, 2, or 3, press that park orbit and then hang up or press speaker. You'll notice that the park orbit button blinks in green on the initiating phone and it blinks in red on every other phone. Notify the person in the office which park button their call is located. The user can access the call by pressing the park 1, 2, or 3 button from any phone. There's also a personal park feature. This allows you to park a call to be accessed only by one specific extension. When on a call, press transfer, enter the extension number, but then press station park hold. This places a call to the station park hold button only on that extension, which will blink in green. The user will return to their phone and press the station park hold button to retrieve the call. Any call parked by either parking to park 1, 2, or 3 or to the station park hold that is unanswered will recall back to the original extension. Finally, do not disturb. Do not disturb is a feature that will change your extension to not ring at all. Any calls to your direct dial number, intercom, or that are transferred to your phone will go straight to voicemail. To enable Do Not Disturb, press the D&D button and 3 to activate. The D&D key will stay lit on your phone and your display will tell you D&D all. Anybody who has a one-touch button for you on the system will see that it is starting to blink fast red. To deactivate D&D, press the D&D button and then 0. Pick up and hang up. This concludes the NEC DTK 24D phone training presented by Preferred Data Voice Networks. Thank you for attending and have a great day.